Hey guys, how's it going? It is Dean from AussieMotoVlogs and welcome to the Rider series. This is a series that we are creating to show new riders what it takes to ride a motorcycle. So with video number 1, we will be showing you the correct seating position and posture for riding a motorcycle. So let's jump into the video. Let's go! Now you always enter the bike from the left hand side where the kickstand is, because the bike leans down on the kickstand, which is less effort for you to throw your leg over. Before you hop onto the bike, you're going to grab that front brake and then throw your leg over. Once you're on the bike and your hand's still on the front brake, you're going to straighten out your handlebars. Alright, now we're going to go over correct seating position on the bike. What you want to do is you want to stay as close to the tank as possible. You do not want to be sitting back because you have less control of the bike there and more stability when you're closer to the tank. Alright, next is arm positioning. You do not want to have locked straight arms. You want to have a bit of bend in your arms. So you can achieve this easier if you sit closer to the tank. The final position is called the rider ready position. So what you need to do to achieve this is to firstly put your left foot down on the ground to support you and the bike. What you're then going to do is put your right foot onto the rear brake. You're going to then release the front brake. And now with everything combined, you should be close to the tank. Arms slightly bent, not locked out. Foot on the rear brake. And this is your rider ready position. Now you're ready to take off.